Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Be inspired. By using this channel, I'm creating some educational videos based on the subject maths. Along with the educational videos, I created some puzzles, and along with the puzzles, you have mathematics fast calculation tips. And but if you follow those videos, you can easily develop your mathematics skills very easily, and you can calculate problems very easily. People who are thinking that maths is very difficult subject and I'm unable to calculate these things, so those members can just go through those videos, then you can automatically improve the knowledge of mathematics, and you'll never feel that maths is very difficult subject. You all will happy that okay, I got maths very easily. Please share, like, subscribe my channel. So today we are going to see one thing which is very new to this, and every week I'm saying something about this. This is called retirement portfolio of myself. So in this retirement portfolio, I just follow two things, and those two things are two mobile apps I'm following. The two mobile apps are Kuvera and Upstocks. Kuvera and Upstocks both are online platforms, and Kuvera is an online platform for mutual funds in India. It is operated by Aravik Advisory Services Private Limited, a company headquartered in Bangalore. Kuvera positions itself as a wealth management platform for individual investors and offers investment in direct mutual funds without any fees or commissions. So instead of asking our other person or any other person, just we can directly just if you install this app in your mobile phone, you can directly invest money in the mutual funds. If you only one thing we have to know is just we have to an idea or a knowledge about the mutual funds. Okay, and Kuvera is a name derived from Kuber, nothing but a lot of riches and treasures according to our Hindu mythology. So Kuvera is one of the very famous very famous mobile app which is based on mutual funds, and you people can directly invest in this if we have a good knowledge of stocks or mutual funds. Just we have to know about how many years does the company is going to be, and just we know the mutual fund company previous history, then we can go for investment. Now in the same way, I have one more mobile app, that is Upstocks, and RKSV, known by the brand name Upstocks, is one of the India's fastest growing retail broking firms. The company allows retail investors in India to invest in stocks, futures, options, currencies and commodities at lower rates compared to traditional full service brokers. It is headquartered in Mumbai or Bombay, India, and holds memberships with NSE, BSE, MCX and MCXSX. So Upstock's suite of products include a mobile trading app, mutual funds investment platform, desktop trading platforms, strategy builders, and brokerage and margin calculators. Upstocks offers a paperless demat account opening and trading platform. Of course, before you're going to start investing, compulsory you must have a demat account. So you have to open a demat account either in Upstocks or in Kuvera, and then you can go for the further investment. Okay, now coming to this, what these things are saying, I'll just explain for you. And the first of all is we have to understand that these are called pie graphs, and it is showing red and blue color, and nothing but it is showing that I invested highest amount. I invested 59.4% of my amount I invested in Upstocks, and 40.8% of my amount is invested in Kuvera. And this is the amount invested breakdown by mobile app. So not only in mobile, so in the mobile only, in Upstocks and Kuvera, I have three different things. One is ETF, and one is stocks, and the other one is mutual funds. So this is also a pie chart, and what this pie chart is saying for you is nothing but the highest amount I invested in ETF, that is 56.5%, and the second highest amount I invested in mutual funds, that is 40.6%, and the least amount I invested in stocks, that is 2.9%. This pie chart is based on invested vehicle. This mutual funds, ETF and stocks, all these are called invested vehicles. Okay, and coming to the asset allocation, nothing but bonds and equities. So the highest amount I invested is 90.1% I invested in equities, and whereas the second highest, the least amount I invested is 9.9% in bonds. This pie chart is based on asset allocation. These three charts are saying about, one is saying about mobile app, other one is saying about invested vehicle, and the other thing is saying about asset allocation. All these three pie charts are saying only the amount I invested. Only the amount I invested based on this three different things. Okay, now coming to the next thing. This is called bar graph. Of course, by seeing this, you all can easily identify this. And this bar graph is saying that percentage of profit from my investment. So the highest amount I got from my investment, the highest profit I got in Upstocks, that is 30.61%, and the second highest profit I earned in Kuvera, that is 20.76%. Based on your mobile app, because I have only two mobile apps, that is Kuvera and Upstocks. Of course, we have so many different kind of brokerage firms, but I am using only this two. Coming to this bar graph is saying that the highest profit I earned is in ETF, that is 30.96%, and the second highest profit I earned is 23.89% in stocks, and the least highest profit I earned is in mutual funds, that is 20.76%. Based on the invested vehicle, it is showing the percentage of profit I earned from my investment, and this is showing that percentage of profit from my investment based on the asset allocation. Means the highest profit I earned in equities is 29.38%, and the least profit I earned in bonds is 1.38%. This is about this three bar graphs are saying that from my investment it is showing only percentage of profit to you. And what about this three are also bar graphs, but whereas these are showing percentage of profit from last week to this week, means from August 22nd to August 29th. So based on this, what this bar graph is saying, first we will see. So when compared to last week, percentage of profit I earned, highest profit I earned in Upstocks, that is 5.61%, and the least profit I earned in Kuvera, that is 1.91% when compared to the last week. And coming here, when compared to last week, the highest profit I earned is 5.89%, that is in ETF, and the second highest profit I earned in mutual funds, that is 1.91%, and the least highest profit I earned in stocks, that is 0.35% when compared to the last week. And here I got the highest profit in equities when compared to the last week, that is 4.54%, whereas when compared to the last week I got loss in bonds, that is 0.19%. So I earned a loss in bonds, and that loss is 0.19%. Now first we will do one thing. We have these two things, so first we'll compare these two things and we will see. So what these two graphs are saying is the highest I invested in Upstocks, and the same way the highest profit I got in Upstocks, that is 30.61%, and the second highest I invested in Kuvera, that is 40.6%, and the second highest profit I got in Kuvera. And coming to this, the highest I invested in ETF, and whereas the highest profit also I earned in ETF only, that is 30.96%. And whereas the least I invested in stocks, that is 2.9%, and but I got second highest profit in stocks, that is 23.89%. Whereas I invested second highest in mutual funds, but whereas I got the least profit in mutual funds, that is 20.76%. And coming here, of course I invested highest in equities, that is 90.1%, and I earned highest profit in equities only, that is 29.38%. Whereas the second highest I invested in bonds, that is 9.9%, and I got 1.38 higher profit in bonds. Now when compared to this two, since invested, percentage of profit since invested, and percentage of profit from the last week. So of course when compared to these two graphs, we got highest profit in Upstocks only when compared to the Kuvera, and here also I got highest profit in ETF, that is 5.89% when compared to the last week, and whereas here I got second highest profit but in mutual funds when compared to the last week, but whereas here it is less. And stocks also very less profit when compared to this. So when compared to last week to this week, Upstocks is increasing. So by comparing these two tables, you can easily understand that. And whereas ETF is also good, but whereas stocks, very less percentage of profit is increased, and whereas mutual funds 1.91% of profit is increased. And coming to this equities and asset allocation, 4.54% equities is increased, whereas bonds went to the loss of minus 0.19%. So I have only one bond, that is DSP corporate bond. When last week it is 50,787, and whereas this week it is 50,691. So that is the reason it was showing loss. How much loss it is showing? It is showing a loss of 96 rupees. So based on that we got this answer. And whereas the Percentage of profit since last week is 19%. 0.19%. The loss is very less, but even though we have loss. To prevent the coronavirus, wash your hands often, wear a face mask while going outside, avoid contact with the sick people, always cover your cough or sneeze. Stay home, stay healthy. Thank you for watching.